What up guys, welcome to part 2 of the C10 LS swap. We're going to be pulling the bed off just for fabrication purposes and running the fuel lines and stuff. So bed off, and plus I can clean up the frame a little bit, get that painted as well. I got this board right here that I found. Probably pull this up to here and then run some screws in and get my cherry picker, and then we're just gonna pick the bed off. I'm gonna get under right now and take those bolts out. Alright guys, we're just cleaning up some wiring. Took all this out of here. A little rat's nest that I had coming through this side. So this side's all cleaned up. Still going through some of this, some of that's still necessary. Right now I'm going to the main fuse block and taking stuff out that I don't need. This whole harness right here, not even being used. Ordered the wrong block off plate. Got a new one on the way. Took out the heater core. Still cleaning up all this wiring. Gonna take my little center box. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take it out, so I'm gonna pull that panel, that old fuse block off, and I'm gonna unpin some stuff. Degreasing all this cross member and stuff, man, it was so bad, so bad. have some speed orange. This is going to be the color going on the whole inside. First little test coat right here on the firewall. Oh, she glossy. Looks great. Love the color. Tie-dyed my shirt a little bit, my boots and my pants. But it's worth it. Freaking love that color. Highly underestimated how much paint I'm gonna need. I only ordered a quart and I got the firewall done and those two fenders. So I have a gallon on order now. I'm gonna do the inside of the hood too and these inner fender wells. We're gonna do those orange. So right now we're just waiting on paint, and at that I think we're gonna call that a video. Got a lot of wiring cleaned up, got this beautiful speed orange sprayed onto the firewall and our fenders. So now we're just waiting on more paint, and in the meantime put my brake booster back on. Time to start stuffing that motor in here. Gotta watch out for our paint. It's too pretty now. Chose an uglier color. Let me know what you guys think of this color. I think it's gorgeous. Freaking pops. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys for watching.